You are watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about Centre getting 6th extension for Citizenship Act. This is for GS Paper 2, Polity. The Minister of Home Affairs or MHA has been granted extension for the 6th time from the Parliamentary Committees on Subordinate Legislation in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha to frame the rules for the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act, that is CAA 2019. Let's get into the details. The Citizenship Amendment Act was passed by Parliament on 11th of December 2019 and the presidential approval came the next day. In January 2020, the ministry notified that the act will come into force from 10th of January 2020, but it later requested from the parliamentary committees in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha to give it some more time to implement rules as the country was going through its worst ever health crisis due to COVID-19 pandemic. Earlier, the MHA had sought time from both the parliamentary committees for similar extensions 5 times. The latest 6-month extension sought by the MHA ended on 9th of January 2022. The legislation, which grants citizenship to illegal immigrants belonging to Hindu, Jain, Sikh, Parsi, Christian, and Buddhist communities from Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan, was passed by Parliament. The objective of the CAA is to grant Indian citizenship to persecuted minorities like Hindus, Sikhs, Jains, Buddhists, Parsis, and Christians from Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan who had come to India till 31st of December. They will not be treated as illegal immigrants and given Indian citizenship. That's all for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com.